Hello, this is Major Farabi, and my project AI Climate Monitor is about understanding climate change in your neighborhood. We hear about climate change, but what does it really mean for us? My app helps you explore the greenhouse gas emissions impacting your area, from traffic and factories to your own home energy use. I use Gemini AI and NASA data in this AI Climate Monitor. In the dashboard, we can see six charts: global ocean carbon, global annual carbon emissions, global carbon emissions, methane emissions, and so on. In the global ocean carbon absorption, we can see the satellite data, and we can check by country and the graph as well as we can see. And in the global carbon emissions is also the same. We can start by country and many more. And for global fossil fuel carbon emissions, we can see the data by real time and using NASA API. Also for the global methane emissions, we can see the total amount here. We can see and the graph as well. And in the methane plume, we can search by its ID and we can search the table of all items and can see the graph as well. And from the AI climate predictions, we can search by year range. 0, 0. And in the predictions, we get these prediction results like indications, recommendations, zero emissions, natural, and many more. Well, imagine knowing how your choices affect your neighborhood and having the tool to make a positive change. This future AI climate monitor brings a more informed, empowered, and sustainable community. Check out AI climate monitor. Thank you.